Single commands are great. They provide us information, can do work, and a host of other things. However, the real power of PowerShell comes in when we use the pipeline. Pipelining in PowerShell is a way to send the output from one command into a second command, and so on. This allows you to do more complex work from the shell. So it's kind of like we get something, and then we do something, and then we output something. This is a common way that we often use the pipeline. We get a piece of information, we do something to the information, and then we output that information somehow. A good example of that would be our get-service example, where we take get-service, we pipe that into the where-object looking for a status equal to stopped, and then we pipe that into out-file so that we can send that output into a text file. What we get in the end is a list of all of the services that are stopped on a specific system, and we get that in a file. So that's how we use the pipeline. And to use the pipeline effectively, we really need to know more about the data that we're getting. PowerShell places all data it receives with commands into a collection or a table, as we see here, to store the data. Each row of the table is an object that has specific properties or attributes that are part of it. These properties all have values that are stored in the table and we can access through the PowerShell console. So this is the stuff that we're looking for. So each one of these lines, as you can see, is a service that's running on a system. So we've got the print spooler service, the Windows Update service, and then the volume shadow copy. So each one of these objects can be worked with, and we can access this table with the pipeline and using PowerShell to get the information that we're looking for. So let's take a look at working with objects through the pipeline in PowerShell.